Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can see my online information to everybody on VIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open VIP app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy. Then you can see the option of last seen and online. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of who can see my online information. Below it, you can see the option of everybody. Tap on everybody. So this is how you can change online information to everybody on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.